Have you ever wondered if your mechanic is hiding something from you, or worse, charging you for repairs you don't even need? Well, you're not alone. Studies show that over 60% of car owners feel misled or overcharged by mechanics at least once in their lives. Trust me, it happens more often than you think. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot and avoid the 5 most common mechanic scams that everyone falls for. So, buckle up. It's time to save both your car and your wallet. Let's dive in. Scam number 1, bait and switch parts. This one's a classic, the bait and switch. Here's how it works. You take your car in for a repair, and the mechanic tells you that you need a high-quality, top-brand part to fix the issue. Sounds good, right? Well, what actually happens is they swap it out for a cheap knockoff part, charging you for the expensive one. But don't worry, it's easy to avoid this scam. Simply ask to see the part before they install it. Check the brand, the box, and the part number. And when they're done, ask for your old part back. If they hesitate or give you excuses, that's a major red flag. Pro tip. A little vigilance goes a long way in protecting your car and your wallet. Scam number 2, unnecessary fluid flushes. Another sneaky scam, unnecessary fluid flushes. When you go in for a routine service, the mechanic might tell you that your transmission or brake fluid is dirty and needs an urgent flush. They'll scare you into agreeing, even though your car might be perfectly fine. Here's how to avoid it. Check your car's owner's manual for the recommended fluid change intervals. If they claim your fluids are dirty, ask to see them. A reputable mechanic should have no problem showing you the condition of the fluids. Scam number 3, overcharging for diagnostic fees. When your check engine light comes on, it's easy to panic and take your car in for a diagnostic. But watch out. Some mechanics will charge you $100, $200 or even more just to scan your car for error codes. Worse yet, they might not even properly diagnose the issue. They'll just read the code and push for expensive repairs. To protect yourself, invest in a basic scan tool or use a smartphone app to check the codes yourself. And don't hesitate to shop around for better diagnostic prices. Some shops even offer free diagnostics if you agree to let them do the repairs. Scam number 4, air conditioning recharge scam. Does your car's AC feel weak? That's when the AC recharge scam rears its ugly head. The mechanic will tell you your refrigerant is low and that you need a recharge. They'll charge you for the refrigerant, but they might not add enough, or worse, they might not add any at all. Avoid this by asking for a pressure test or a gauge reading before and after the recharge. Make sure they check for leaks and properly seal the system, not just top it off and send you on your way. Scam number 5, uneven brake pad, wear scam. Here's a sneaky one. When you go in for a brake check, the mechanic tells you all 4 pads and rotors need replacing immediately. They'll pressure you into it by claiming it's a safety issue. In reality, only 1 or 2 pads might be worn, but they're banking on you not knowing that. To protect yourself, ask them to measure the thickness of each pad and rotor. If they can't show you the worn parts or try to pressure you into unnecessary work, get a second opinion. Don't let shady mechanics take advantage of you. By staying informed and asking the right questions, you can avoid these common scams and save yourself from expensive, unnecessary repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow car owners. Stay safe and keep your car and your wallet protected.